I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence. Today we are talking about the Tennessee Secretary of State. We're going to go there. We're going to show you how to do the business search. And we're also going to show how to get the data with our API. We're going to show you within our portal and then how to get it with Postman and also a JavaScript SDK. So let's go to it. We'll go to Tennessee, look at the fields available here. Now, no officer information, no organization documents. There's a status at least. So some bare bones stuff here in Tennessee. Let's go to the site. Okay, so we got a search name and our control number. This control number is what I call an SOS ID or an entity ID. So we're going to search the name here and I'm going to type in donut. That's right. I was going to put in donut because there's this CAPTCHA. It slows down the API a little bit, puts it up to, normally around 60 seconds. There we go. So we're going to try that one. I like that. Now we have this information here. We have things like the registered agent right there. Harrow Enterprises LLC. So we have the address, all this information here. So as you can see, no documents. We can't get any documents here. I think we can get a certificate of existence. So we click this, but otherwise can't do it. What does this button do? This is actually managing the business. Okay, let's go over to my portal, the Cobalt Intelligence portal, and we'll search for Tennessee. Get rid of this. What this is going to do, this is a way to test the data. You can sign in here, create an account, and it's a free way to test the data to make sure it matches what you expect. Because this has a CAPTCHA, it's going to try for about 20 seconds, and then it's going to return a GUID, like a long ID, a retry ID, and you're going to have to just put it in here and just keep trying until it's done. And we're done with Tennessee. So you can see how that worked. It just came over here, got the information, and returns it there. Let's go and try this with Postman. So same idea here, you're going to replace that, replace this with that, and get rid of that retry ID. We're going to hit send. This is what your URL is going to look like when you're using the API. So this is actually using it in your code. You're going to pass in an API key like this, x-API-key. You're going to pass in a value API key, and then this is going to keep going and just trying. It'll be the same deal as before. It's going to return a retry ID, which you're going to pass in here as a query parameter with a camel case, and then it'll just do the same thing right here like this. So all done here in Postman. Now let's go to our SDK. This is the JavaScript SDK. There we go. And we'll go to Tennessee. We'll start this off. As it starts, I'll walk through this. You're going to import SOS API. You're going to initialize it with new, pass in your API key right there. And then you're going to say await SOS API. This is just a promise, so handle it however you want. Give business details. The required fields are the business name and the state. And after that, you can pass in other information such as, do you want a screenshot? Do you want UCC data? Do you want to search by street, city, and zip? All that information is there and you can search by it. Now, the cool thing about the SDK is it's going to handle the retries for you. So here we go. We also got the screenshot. Let's check it out. There we go. Look, Tennessee, we got a screenshot proving you were there. You can put it in your file, use it for all your underwriting purposes, and you can confirm that you've been there and this business is real.